Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to link a card in PayPal. So let's get started. At first let's go to PayPal. For that we need to go to any browser and search PayPal and click on this first website over here. Now we need to log in, so tap on login over here. Now we need to write our email address and password. Now click on login. So now we are in PayPal interface. To link a card, here we can see this option for link a card. So let's tap on this. And here we can add our debit or credit card number, select your card type here, and expiration date and your security code. And you need to write your billing address as well and click on link card. So this is how you can link a card in PayPal. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe.